Hey guys, welcome to the Stu Sales team's brand new listing. And I am so pumped to bring this gorgeous backsplit to market. It has so many upgrades, I could be here for half an hour trying to list them all. But we've got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, stunning hardwood floors throughout. We've got a family room with a fireplace. We have a den for a home office. And then you go down one more level and then there's another home office all put in, installed. So if you're working at home, this place is all set up. And then if you go outside, we have an in-ground pool, waterfall feature, gorgeous stonework, beautiful gardens. It's like being at the cottage out there. Look at the space you have here. You have this full dining room, another sitting area, beautiful kitchen that's gorgeous with a glass top stove and large enough room for an eat-in with windows looking out the backyard. Like, it's so much. Oh, I forgot the spa bathroom upstairs. Soaker whirlpool tub, walk-in shower, beautiful vanity and everything. We are in an amazing location. We're in Scarborough. We're sandwiched between the 401 and the 407, so easy access to get anywhere. We've got the Rouge River Park, we've got the zoo, we've got the Scarborough Town Center, Agent Court Mall. We're minutes to the GO station if you want to get right downtown. This is a great family area. So look, go to Stu Sales, see all the photos, videos, virtual tour, and give me a call.